Hello everyone. So as you saw in my previous clip, I did my bed, and after that I took a shower and I ate. So it's been a very chill day today. I wanted to give you guys a little update. Last week I went to get my LASIK done, and I was so scared and so excited, and I cannot believe I did it. The whole process, honestly, it took like 15 seconds. So they showed a green dot and to look straight at it, and so I was looking at it, and at one point I couldn't see. I'm like, oh my god, they removed my cornea or something like that. And then I felt a pressure, and I think that was a laser. For some reason I thought it was gonna be like the laser goes zoom, like from far away, and it just shoots at it. No, it was very, very close to my eye. That makes a lot more sense, you know? And so yes, and now I can see, and it's crazy that I could see distance. I'm not gonna need my contacts or glasses anymore, and I'm so happy I did this. So yeah, that's a little mini update that I want to give you guys. And so I'm just happy I got LASIK. I cannot believe I got LASIK, and I could see, so I could read far away too. I'm happy. So today I'm going to do, like, honestly, it's gonna be very chill because I'm actually very tired. I don't want to do too much. My job has been a little bit stressful, just a tad. So yes, I kind of want to relax today, and I asked for the day off tomorrow. Thank goodness they gave it to me. All right. I'm gonna start editing a video here, and so by now you most likely have already seen the video. It's been uploaded. If not, it's in my YouTube video. I'm almost done with my matcha tea. I don't know if I mentioned it. I think I'm just gonna mention it in like a little small text, but yes, it's so good. How I like to prepare it is basically just blend it and then add warm water. That's it. Yeah, I'm not very adventurous sometimes, and I just like to drink it like this. I like the flavor, and I like it warm. Apparently my sister and my mom like it like cold, not warm. So right now I'm going to listen to some Animal Crossing, what is the title? Animal Crossing relaxing music with soft rain. I love Animal Crossing music. It's so calming and soothing, and so when I edit videos I like to listen to some type of music. So yes, I'm gonna start editing this video, and I'm gonna upload this video. As you may or may have not noticed, I am uploading Wednesdays and Sundays. At this moment I don't know what time, but I'll figure it out, you know. Alright, so I am done. Love it. Oh, by the way, if you're curious where I got this cup, I got it at TJ Maxx. Love that place. I think I got it for like $6.99. It was less than $10, which was nice. It was sets of 2. There are other ones that were like a lot smaller, and I'm like, I don't want that. I want something to hold a little bit more, you know? Hello everyone. So this week I asked for it off and I'm off this week and I'm so happy because I needed like a mental day to and also recharge. As you may have noticed, my uploading schedule is a lot different. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try to keep it that way. So I like to put background noise, and right now I'm listening to what is it called? It's called Onsen ASMR Bathhouse Ambience. Bath time to relief from fatigue. So yeah, I like to listen to that. Okay, so my camera died and so I decided to charge it. I took a nap and a few hours later, here we are. I wasn't gonna film today, but then I was like, no, I should do something. So I've been wanting to clean my desk. I want to buy a new desk and I still don't know what desk I'm gonna buy, but I slowly but surely want to get rid of some stuff. So yeah, we're gonna start doing that now. So I have all these DVDs that I want to put them away and books here. I'm gonna start putting them here. They're gonna be like right here. So yeah. Okay everyone, so this is how it looks. These are all my DVDs. I feel like I should actually give some away because they don't spark joy, but today I'm too lazy, so this is what's gonna happen. And so I had stuff in my junk drawer, which was this piggy bank, like some random stuff. This beautiful bookmark, I love it. It's so nice. So now I'm going to do the books. I'm kind of nervous because I don't think it's gonna fit. I mean, I'm gonna make it fit because I really do need to get rid of stuff. Okay, off to this next task. Gonna bring this. I'll organize them next time. I just want to place them here today. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so this one is done. Now, I'm gonna put my little items that I had in that little corner. So yes, they're just some cute items I do not want to throw away. A lot of stuff that I made, and then these cute tarot cards. I made this. It was supposed to be a donut. It looks like a zombie. So yeah. Oh, and my little magical Doremi character. So yes, let's keep going. They're gonna go in here. Where exactly? I have no idea. Here is like an overview. This is just temporary. I just wanted to put all the stuff. Like, I've been wanting to move stuff around for a while. Even though I don't have a desk or haven't bought one, I will get one. I just don't know. I'm very picky. I just wanted to get rid of the stuff because I don't know. I just wanted to. But yeah, hopefully this motivates me to find like a desk really fast. But yeah, I'm very picky, and this desk right now, it's a size 47 inch, like width-wise, and it's very tiny. And all the ones that I want, they're very they're huge, and so it's taken me a while for me to find one. But yeah, I'll find one soon. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it wasn't too scattered. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.